Okay. Should we use voiceovers as one of our digital storytelling methods for our presentation?
Yes, and I think that we could also use like a different method so that the whole video doesn't look quite the same, or change it in just like a different way, or like if we could find another method to use.
Yes, and I think like adding animations and different visual things into it would be a good idea as well. On top of the audios, like all those things that make the text appear differently or swivel around before they show up, something like that.
I think it like the what me and Ashley did was a good idea with like the pictures and stuff. What do y'all, or does anybody have any ideas on what we can do differently besides just like the moving pictures or a voiceover?
I think it'd be cool if we like went into local, since our things like local restaurants are not, but just local small businesses and whatnot. It could be a good idea to go into local restaurants that have like a lot of times they showcase like local artists as well, like supporting each other. So it'd be cool to go into those restaurants that have local artists on the wall to get like videos of that and to add into our presentation.
Yes, and she also said that she didn't like how we used like just the videos from the internet and like did voiceovers over that. So instead we could use the videos that we take in those like restaurants or those like stores of the art, and then we could do our voiceovers like on top of that instead of videos we just take from the internet.
Mm-hmm.
Where do you guys, so we have to get one of the sources from, it doesn't have to be peer reviewed, but two of the ones we already have are. So where do you guys think we should get the other source from, and what do you think that article should be about?
I've definitely found a lot of articles through like the LSU library. They do like the online thing where you can go through the databases and find different articles or like scholarly journals and stuff. So I think a place to look there would be there first.
Yes, and I don't really know if this would count as a source or article or whatnot, but it could be a good idea to like interview an owner of a small business and like get their thoughts on like what it means to them whenever people shop local and support them.
And I can definitely do that. Whenever I go to one of the businesses, I'll see if the artist is there, and then I could maybe interview them.
Yeah, I think that'd be cool if we interviewed them and asked what it meant to them to have people giving them patronage during these tough times, or maybe during COVID to help to see locals kind of band around together to help them out and see what their thoughts are on that.
Sorry, Justin.
Oh, I'm done. You got it.
Yeah, I was going to see maybe we could ask them what really helped them in the tough times. Like, did they implement anything new or join any support groups or anything like that?
Yeah, and maybe we could ask them like if there's anything we could do to help out, or almost advertise or help them get more customers, or promote their business as well.
So I'm most confused about how we can use the digital storytelling methods, or what type. So do you guys have any experience using like animations on PowerPoint or anything like that?
I don't have any experience, but I've seen like those YouTube videos, like educational ones where they almost like write on the whiteboard. I feel like that's something we could implement. I'd have to go find a whiteboard, but we could definitely figure that out and see if anybody has some good drawing abilities.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm definitely not the artistic one, but I have for a class last year I did a digital story project on Apple Movie or iMovie, and it's pretty easy to clip and crop stuff in, but as far as doing animation, I don't know if I'm going to be the one for that, but digital storytelling with iMovie, I could definitely be able to do that.
Yeah, so hopefully one of us has can gather some artistic ability, and we can put that together and it will look good.
I think I could pull some artistic skills, or just the basic pictures.
Okay, we